Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add Revolut kits to Apple Wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can add a Revolut kits and themes to your card to Apple Wallet or Apple Pay if your child meets the minimum Apple Pay age and eligibility in your country. Some of the eligibility and important notes are: Apple Pay requires the user to have an Apple ID and meets Apple Vision's age requirements. In many countries, that means a minimum age is often 13 or older, but in some places can be 16 plus. If this option doesn't appear, it's often because the child's age or Apple ID status doesn't meet with the minimum required for Apple Pay on that device or account, so note that as well. In order to add a Revolut Kids or Junior card to Apple Wallet, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up the Revolut Kids and Teens app, and then once you're inside there, simply tap on the login option. Here, either you can log in with your mobile number by simply tapping on it, or you can just simply tap on the start camera and scan the QR code. Then once logged in, what you need to do is simply tap on the cards icon on the top right here and select Kids card you want to add. Now once you have selected that, simply tap on the controls or card settings given and then scroll down and choose Add to Apple Wallet option. Then once you select it, simply follow the iPhone prompts to complete the setup by using your Face ID, Touch ID and passcode if you have already added it, and then once added, the card works with Apple Pay for contactless and in-app purchases. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.